Hi everyone, it's Charlie here from CAFM, and today I'm going to be showing you a great way of visualizing and seeing all of those upcoming work orders. Now, this could be outstanding reactive jobs or upcoming planned jobs, for example, but the idea being you can visualize all of this information in a calendar view, and you can do that by day, you can do that by week, work week, month, if you wanted to, but you've also got the ability to apply loads of filters, as you can see at the top here. So for example, if I just want to see all of my open reactive jobs at a particular site, for example, I can apply those filters and it's just going to show me the relevant information. Now, another thing that's great is we've also got drag and drop functionality. So let's say the engineer can't attend on the 10th, they're now going to be attending on the 17th. I can simply just drag and drop that job, and that will just update the main contact at that particular site. Now, we've also got the ability to carry out quick actions, so I can complete a job, I can change the expected date just from the calendar view. I can also click on the job and it will take me straight into the job as well. So great for allocating on viewing all information and all of those outstanding jobs, but it's also great for making sure you've got jobs allocated to your contractors or your internal resources. So I can apply a filter here that's going to show me all of my jobs to my internal engineer, and you can just make sure that they've got enough jobs on for the day, the week, or the month as well. And also, one thing that's really nice is you do have the ability to download these once you've applied the filters in a PDF format, so you can actually export and print out these calendar views as well if you wanted to. Now, if you think this might be something that you think would benefit you as a business, please do not hesitate to get in touch and we can arrange a quick demo of how the calendars work in a bit more detail and have a chat in terms of the other benefits our CAFM system has to offer as well.